Hello kids, I hope you are fit and fine. Today we will learn our next chapter. I sound words. So we have to say aloud. D-I-P. That makes dip. T-I-N. That makes tin. B-I-B. That makes bib. L-I-P. That makes lib. P-I-N. That makes pin. N-I-B. That makes nib. Z-I-P. That makes zip. B-I-N. That makes bin. R-I-B. That makes rib. Now we start with it. I-T, it. P-I-T, pit. S-I-T, sit. L-I-T, great, lit. H-I-T, hit. And B-I-T, amazing, bit. Next is I-P. T-I-P, tip. H-I-P, hip. Z-I-P, zip. D-I-P, dip. L-I-P, good one, lip. Next one is I-D. H-I-D, hid. D-I-D, did. B-I-D, correct, bid. K-I-D, kid. L-I-D, good one, lid. Now the next is I-N, in. S-I-N, sin. F-I-N, fin. T-I-N, tin. P-I-N, good, pin. B-I-N is bin. Now we have to read it aloud. Sid hit the lid. The lid fell into the pit. Mr. Pip digs a pit. Then he puts the pin in a bin. Now we will do a small activity. Match the rhyming words. F-I-G, fig. Now who will tell me what is the rhyming word for fig? Great! W-I-G, wig. Next word is Z-I-P, zip. Who will tell me? Yes, exactly. L-I-P, lip. So you need to match it. Next word is kid. Okay. Great. It's lid. L-I-D, lid. So match it. Kid with the lid. Last word is bin. What goes with bin? Who will tell me? Great. It's pin. So you need to match bin with the pin. Now we will circle the odd one. Okay, let's find out. Start with I-P. Okay, N-I-P, D-I-P, T-I-P and F-I-N. So tell me, which is the odd one? Great! F-I-N is the odd one. Great! Next comes I-G, P-I-G, G-E-T, B-I-G, F-I-G. Good one! G-E-T is the odd one. I-N, W-I-N, T-I-N, B-E-T, F-I-N. Who will tell me which is the odd one? Amazing! B-E-T is the odd one. Next comes the I-B, B-I-B, S-A-T, R-I-B, N-I-B. Now who will tell me? Great! S-A-T is the odd one. Now kids, take the kid to her mom through I vowel sound words. Okay. Let's start from here. Then go here. then come a little low, then we have to take it here, then again a little low, then we have to take it here, and here the kid reach his mom. So kids, I hope you have understood what we have learned today, and you know you have to practice it more and more to be better in this.